Hello friends! Today we're going to draw a funny cat popping out of the flower pot. We need some paper, a pencil, a black marker or a felt tip, a rubber, and something to color with. Colored pencils, felt tips or crayons. Choose whatever you like. First, fold the paper in half, like this. Now take the top flap and fold it like this. Okay, flip it over and fold this flap too. Unfold it and flip it over. Now we are ready to draw. First, let's draw a flower pot. Draw a line right on the fold, like this. We need to draw a rectangle. The rectangle is ready. Now let's draw one line that comes down and one more line that comes down. Let's connect the lines. Alright, look, the flower pot is ready. Now let's draw a flower. First, let's draw a small circle. And now let's draw the petals. Petal, 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 petal. Great! Let's draw the stem. Done! The flower is ready. Now let's unfold the paper. I'm going to draw a long stem, like this. It's a long line coming down. Now draw some soil, like this. Flowers need soil to grow, right? The soil is ready. Now let's draw the cat's head. Draw an oval over here. Alright, the head is ready. Now let's draw the nose in the middle of the head. Draw a small triangle over here. Okay, let's draw the mouth. One semicircle, one more semicircle, and one more semicircle. Let's draw the tongue like this. Now let's draw the eyes. Draw one semicircle on the right side of the face and one more semicircle on the left side. Let's draw two more semicircles in the eyes. Now draw a small circle in the right eye. Color the eye black, like this. Draw a small circle in the left eye too. Let's draw the whiskers. 1, 2, 3 lines on the right side and 3 lines on the left side. Some more lines here and here. Now I'm going to draw the ears. Let's draw a big triangle, like this, and a smaller triangle inside. Now let's draw the left ear. Done! Let's draw the body. Draw a line coming down like this, and one more line right here. Now I'm going to draw 2 paws. Right paw and left paw. Alright, now I want to draw the pads. Just draw an oval and 3 dots. And let's draw the pads on the left paw. Great! Now I'm going to draw 2 leaves on the stem. 1 leaf and 1 more leaf. Alright, the cat is almost ready. Now I'm going to color it in. Oops, I forgot to draw the tail. Let's draw a curved line like this. The tail is ready. Now let's color the picture. Alright, are you ready to see what's inside? Ta-da! Look what a cute cat we have! I hope you enjoyed drawing with me. See you soon. Bye.